Hey, it's Fred, the submarine guy. Thanks for coming back and watching this video. Left off on video number one on how to make money online, the three things that you need to have something to sell, you have somewhere to sell it, and then have someone to sell it to or someone to be the buyer, right? So I'm going to start at the bottom and expound on have someone to sell it to talk about that. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, down below on that side, I think it is the subscribe button. Give me a heart, like, if you will. And if you got some comments or some questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below in the comments section. So we're on number three, how to make money online. This is have somebody, someone to sell to. Now, one of the things you need to do is kind of narrow down your focus on who your audience is, who your perfect customer is, into one of, I'll call them three categories here. The first one on my list is love, which is relationships, dating, that kind of stuff. Getting your ex back, those are the kind of things that are in that kind of category. If that's where your area of expertise is, then you need to kind of focus in on that one type of customer, either relationship wise, dating wise, getting your ex back, whatever your niche inside that category is, so that you can focus on those people, so that when you get a response from one of your ads, you'll know that they're in the market for what you have to offer. Okay? Let that sink in now. You want to have your customer focus down as to what his problems and what's keeping him awake at night, so that when he responds to your ad about fixing those things, you'll have a potential customer who you already know has those problems. Okay, so the second category is self-improvement. There's a lot of subcategories under this. There's health and wellness. There's fitness, so diet, overeating, or proper eating and things like that. Appearance, skincare products are big, and that kind of thing. Also, mindset, getting the right attitude, getting over negative attitudes, things like that. Self-improvement, huge, $100 million market, as is the love and relationship one. Lots of products to promote there that you don't even have to develop. Lots of things you can do in like coaching people, training them, developing, if you're a fitness coach or something, you could have a series of workouts you sell, or things like that. A lot of people are into that area. Again, if that's your focus and you target your ads to people who need your kind of services, then you'll get those exact people for what you're selling, and you'll have a better chance of selling one of your products or services to them. And the last category down there, the third bullet, is money, making money, which includes, obviously, you need more traffic, you need leads, you need to make sales. Making money online is generally targeted toward people who want to make money online. They do that in a number of different ways. Let's stop here. So the make money online niche includes having enough traffic for your offer, the ability to target your leads again to those kind of people, and making sales, which includes sales pages, video sales letters, things like that. It includes all kinds of products, from health and wellness to legal to funnel development, things like that. And that's also a multi-$100 million niche to dive into. So, and those, I think, if you look at those three categories, love, relationships, self-improvement, making money online, that accounts for probably 80 to 85% of all the sales things that you see online. Obviously, there's, people selling other stuff, how to build a canoe, um, how to go bird watching, how to do underwater basket weaving. That's one we used to joke about in college. Uh, so there's a lot of other things online. They just don't have as big a market as these three categories do. Now, if you want to get my help in understanding how to sell to the make money online people, that's where my expertise is. I've been doing that for a number of years, made lots of money with it, got lots of leads. I know exactly how to target those people, and I know exactly what they're looking for: traffic, leads, and sales, right? So if I can sell them those kind of things, I'll be making money. And that'll help you do similar kind of things. And we have a very specific process we go through. So that's really all I wanted to talk about. Again, this is the third bullet of the three things you need about how to make money online. One, you got to have something to sell. Two, you got to have a way to sell it. And then three, you got to have somebody to talk to. And this is the somebody to talk to. So think about where, number one, where your expertise is or where your interest lies. And let me know which of these three categories you're in. If you're in the make money online niche, I can help you out a lot. I can send you to some folks who are in the love and relationship or self-improvement kind of niche. I kind of dabble in the self-improvement mindset niche myself, but it's not my main focus. I like it because I use those kind of products a lot. But the make money online is my area of expertise. So that's where I'd like to hear from you and figure out where you're going to target, and then we'll take on those other two things about having something to sell and having a place to sell it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. This one's kind of short, but it's a follow-on to the one that has the blue cover on it on the front of my home page there, which outlines these top three things. I'll have two more coming, obviously, on the other two big bullets, but until then, have a great day.